Hello and welcome back, creators and crafters! Today in this video I am going to be decorating my house for Halloween. So the two areas that I do are my living room and my guest bathroom. Oh god, Mochi, she's loud. If you can hear the dog, it's because she's loud. But without further ado, let's begin. Alrighty, so after you put your tree up, you want to put your lights on and then decorate your tree. I'm gonna start with autumn. Alright, so next we are going to put on our ornaments. Hey Google, turn off on the wind chime. Whenever I am purchasing items for decor, I always try to get the biggest bang for my buck, and there were a bunch of these bats for $1 at the Dollar Tree. Now it's the $1.25 tree, but I got a pack of them and they have these little clips on them, so maybe they're not great, but you don't really notice, and you can always touch up the glitter on them. Okay, so I have a bunch of these things, and this color looks good, this color does not. These I'll have to paint, so maybe I'll get to that this year. It just does not look good. But these look fine. So these will go up there. I'm just gonna shove them in, and those unicorn skeletons will just have to wait. All right, this part is finished. Also, I took the liberty to mess around with this area. I did this. It's a paint by numbers, and it's done. Yay. So I have that, and then this was just a gift, and I had this old frame to stick it in, and I thought it was appropriate for the vibe of Beetlejuice. But I did my little metal chest up. I'm not too sure how much I love it. For right now, it's gonna work. These are from Amazon, but I ended up buying a bunch from a garage sale. Oh, look, they're not super sticky if you use them a second time. Look at that. All right, and fixed. Probably have to put a fresh sticky on that one there. But so the tree is done, the lamppost is done, the metal chest is done, and then I only really did this area, and I just put a couple of things. So oh wow, Mochi. Did you guys hear that? She tooted. No shame, you do you. Love you, Mo. So this was from Big Lots. I bought it last year. I think it was like 70 or 80% off. And then these were from Goodwill. And this was also from Big Lots. I got it 70% off. So a little trick whenever you are getting Halloween decor. If you just wait until it's, on sale afterwards, you can buy it on super clearance. And then this came from a estate sale or garage sale. I also have this cool kind of creepy thing. My mom grabbed it for me whenever she was helping her cousin go through her garage, and she was like, oh, that's creepy, maybe Allison will want it. And then this is one of my presents. It howls. This was my Christmas gift last year from my mom, because I always ask for Halloween stuff for Christmas so she can get her shopping done when it goes on clearance. So that's what I have so far. And now we are going to work on the guest bathroom. But whenever you walk into the front door, this is the view. And I had to lay everything out on the bar there, which I have a bunch more stuff in here, and I'm gonna have to lay it out because there's stuff I wanted to put up here and I didn't find it. And I'm gonna have to lay it all out. So this is where we are now with the guest bathroom. I messed around with everything. I kind of wanted to go with like a vintage ship sailery, maybe, I don't know, just like an older vibe, but I had these from the 90s, so it's literally like 90s and then a vintage vibe. I don't know, it's just a hodgepodge. I don't like it. I shoved it up there a couple of weeks ago and I knew I was just gonna change it for Halloween, so I'm going to redecorate all of this with my apothecary bottles, and then I'll decorate this area. So I'm going to clean it, and then I'm going to redecorate it, and then I'll put like Halloween art here. Let's see if you guys can see. It's a small bathroom, so, it's kind of hard to film in here, but we'll put Halloween decor up there, and then I'll put some spooky Halloween decor up there, but I'm gonna lay everything out, see what I have, and then start decorating in here. Now I have a nice clean slate. I'm gonna figure out what to hang up there. I know what I'm gonna hang up here. I am just gonna decorate and take you through my process so that you can watch how I do it. So I'm gonna do these two shelves. I'm gonna put something over here. I'm gonna put something up there. Hey, Zero, what's up? Hey, what's up, little doggo? Hi. Look at the mess I made. Boom. So I have all of my stuff that's left out, so I can see what I want to use This is gonna go in there, but I have to put little felt feet on the bottom of it because I got little rust spots last year and I really ought to scrub them out of the countertop. So I'm gonna put all this stuff in there, and then whatever's left, maybe I'll be able to decorate a third area. So let's get started. This is where I am so far. So I have kind of like good and evil. I have to find something to put in there. I have a bunch of stuff that I printed, so I'm gonna look through there. You'll see it when it's all done. And I got bats here. I'm gonna get on the ladder and do some up here across there, similar to and not unlike those there. But I got this one up here. I moved some stuff around on the counter there. I got this, I bought this sign from the Dollar Tree and just glued this on from the Dollar Tree, and I'm pretty sure I got a bag of those from the Dollar Tree. So that's, you know, some Dollar Tree crafts, and I did similar ones up there, but that's where we are right now. I'm gonna take a break from the bathroom. It was fun whenever I put these up here. I found my bag finally. It had like these teeth we found by the river in London when we went, I think it was 5 years ago now. And then a couple of little things here and there, but I definitely need to put some more stuff in there. It looks weird without, you know, like little extra things. This made a big difference. So I'm just gonna look through all of my stuff and see what I have, and then you'll see it fully complete. By the way, I'm not afraid to put a bunch of holes in my wall. I use those tiny little nails. Whenever you pull them out, you barely even see them, but you can use push pins to hold certain things in as well. And these just stick on the walls. So I am going to take a break from this space, and I'm gonna work on another area because this is the mess I made. I have OCD and I don't like whenever stuff is messy, and this is also messy, but I have so much stuff left. Like I have all of this stuff, and I have that thing, and I have these candelabras I'm just gonna stick in some of my potted plants and that, and lights. I cleaned off this area here. So front door is here, you walk in, and then boom, you'll see that. It's night now, so I'll be filming during the day and it'll look much, much better. I'm gonna decorate this whole area, and then I'll come back tomorrow and I'll show you everything I did, nice little shots. And I don't know, hopefully I'll use everything up whenever I put it here, but I'm gonna start on this and hopefully I'll finish it, and I'm not gonna even film it. It'll be a surprise at the end of me showing you all of that done, the bathroom done, and then boom, that. Oh yeah, get yourself some hats. Are you ready for the final reveal? Are you? Are you? And there she is. you so much for watching, just kind of coming along with me on this journey. I've acquired a lot of new things from garage sales, thrift stores, like Goodwill bins, estate sales, stuff people were just kind of giving away for free, and I thought, oh, maybe that's a bit of a Halloween vibe. I can make that work. But I've acquired things over the last year. I had no idea how I was going to use everything, and I wasn't too sure, or actually it's not that I wasn't sure, I just couldn't remember what I did last year. But I don't like to take pictures and just copy it. I kind of like to creatively figure out how to make everything work this year, especially considering last year I didn't have nearly as much stuff. But it was really fun. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope this inspired you. As you can see, the work is never done. I still have to buy candles. I need to put artwork in. There are always little crafts that I'm probably gonna complete along the way. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and maybe you can decorate with me next time. Just like play it in the background on repeat, you know? Potentially, like while you're decorating. Yeah, so thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And like and subscribe, or if you didn't like this video, just like it and subscribe.